Okay, welcome to problem number 6. We have 7 times y plus 2 plus 3y. We're going to go ahead and apply the distributive property first. 7 times y and 7 times 2. We're distributing that 7 into that parentheses. I'm going to rewrite this problem so you can see it a little bit better. So we have 7 times y because we distributed the 7 to the y, plus 7 times 2 because we distribute that 7 there. We just bring down the rest of the expression, plus 3y. So 7 times y equals 7y, plus 7 times 2 is 14, and then we bring down our 3y. Why is 7 times y 7y? Because remember we have that invisible 1 right there. So it would be 7 times 1y, which 7 times 1 is 7, and then we just add the y onto it. Okay, so I'm going to circle my like terms, and I'm also going to rewrite this so you can see it, so they're together. So I have my 7y plus 3y, and then I have my positive 14 at the end. 7 plus 3 is 10, so 7y plus 3y equals 10y, and then I have my positive 14, and then I'm done. Pretty simple problem. Make sure you have all of your steps before you continue to the last problem within this lesson.